saw it before it took place?
We've worked very hard for this visit to produce results. It was almost hectic to the last minute. I think we've achieved a lot, but on other fields our expectations were not quite fulfilled. I think this is normal in bilateral relations between two important countries who each have their own interests and their own weight in their region, like Germany and Egypt. The important thing, I think, is that after a period of upheavals and changes in Egypt, we are now back in business. We are in a process of dialogue, including now at the highest level, because there have been other meetings before, including between the President and the Chancellor, for example, in January in Davos. But this afforded the opportunity to talk in detail about all the questions we have about the region, about Egypt's position in the region, and of course about Egyptian domestic policies as well.
You said some aspects or certain aspects were not fulfilled. We know what has been fulfilled because everybody has been talking about them. Mm-hmm. What hasn't been fulfilled in your opinion?
Well, we had hoped for a solution to the very long-standing problem of the Konrad Adenauer Foundation being able to work here in Egypt, and about other related funds and projects within what we call the Transformation Partnership, and from the title you see that this was conceived in basically in 2011. We, on the one hand, we do not quite understand why Germany in so many ways is praised as a pattern of emulation. On the other hand, there is such a lack of trust towards the political foundations, which belong, after all, to the political parties who make up the political system in Germany. The Egyptian side has assured us, and credibly assured us, that they're working hard on a solution. We hoped for this solution to be part of this visit. Alas, this hasn't happened. We'll have to work on, but I'm still positive we will eventually find.
And you consider such organizations to be vital in relations between Germany and Egypt?
Well, in a way, it was the response to the Arab Spring in Egypt, which was something that we admired very much, where we wanted to help to drive it into a more to promote it in a more organized and regular fashion. So this